Hey guys, Matthew with Freedom Home Services here. Hopefully a helpful tip for you. Any of you that have a HVAC system that drains the exterior of the home, you probably are constantly frustrated with the wet ground that is around the condensate pipe. I wanted to show you what I found today. This is not the way to do it. Okay, so that's draining into a bucket. The bucket is full of water. The bottom of the condensate pipe is actually submerged. This is preventing the unit from functioning as intended, and can actually lead to backups and having your AC system shut down. So one of the things I've always recommended to clients over the years is it's actually pretty simple. Most of you live in a community where there's some new construction nearby. If you get a 5-gallon bucket potentially of gravel that is in one of the numerous gravel piles that's around the community, come back, and if you just dig a hole right around here next to the foundation where your condensate pipe comes out, and then fill that hole with gravel right underneath. What that's going to do is that's going to allow the water to drip and seep down into the ground. So dig it a foot or so deep, enough to get a good maybe gallon or two of rocks into the ground. Now this is going to be a maintenance thing. You'll have to remove the weeds and from time to time, but this will allow the water to actually seep down into the ground rather than rolling across the top of the ground and creating a really mushy area, which I know is a pain when it comes to mowing the lawn and things like that. So hopefully this was helpful. Have a great day.